From last year, average sales have decreased by minus 14.9%. However, the average price has increased by 12.6%. For Mississauga, the number of sales was 902 units. The average price, $963,829. The average selling price versus list price was 103%, and the average days on market was 14 days. For Brampton, the number of sales was 958 units. The average price, $1,006,049. The average selling price versus list price was 103%, and the average days on market was 12 days. For Oakville, the number of sales was 323 units. The average price, $1,218,000. The average selling price versus list price was 101%, and the average days on market was 14 days. For Milton, the number of sales was 246 units. The average price, $950,000. Average selling price versus list price was 103%, and the average days on market was 11 days. For Burlington, the number of sales was 263 units. The average price, $970,000. The average selling price versus list price was 104%, and the average days on market was 13 days. Thank you for watching. If you are planning to make a move in the next 3 to 6 months, give us a call, 905-334-5883.